Welcome to this YouTube channel. For this video we have 4 people here to tell you 2 of their favourite jokes. First up is Lola.
Hello, Lola here. My first joke is, what do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese! Get it? Get it?
Very good, very good. Next, we have Joe.
Hello, and thank you for having me on your show. One of my most liked knock-knock jokes is, knock knock,
Who's there?
interfering cow.
Interfering cow who... Next up is Chloe.
Hi! I've known this joke the longest. What's it called when a cat wins a dog show? A catastrophe!
Now for our final character, here's Lucy. My first joke is, how do rabbits travel? By airplane. That was a good round of jokes, but we still have one more joke from each of our characters to go, so here comes round 2.
My second joke is, what do you give a sick pig? Ointment!
I want to change my joke into a fact, if that's okay.
Yeah, sure, go for
My
it.
favourite fact is, did you know that the carrot's original colour was purple, along with white and yellow? Unbelievable.
Knock knock. Who's there? Boo! Boo-hoo! Don't cry, it's only me.
Why do people never eat clocks? Because it's really time consuming. And that is it. I think my favourite joke teller was Joe for today. Who was yours? Tell us in the comments below. If you would like to get your own favourite joke told on this show, tell us your jokes in the comments below. Thank you for watching.